Welcome to this video on Python programming tutorial. You can find the course outline in the description below. In case if you want to add any topic, let me know in the comments. I will add that topic in the tutorial. So in this video, we are going to take a look what Python is and its history and why it's such a popular programming language today. So what is Python? So Python is a high-level interpretive programming language. It was first released in 1991 by Guado and Rosen and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Python is known for its simple, easy to learn syntax and vast collection of libraries and modules, which makes an attractive option for many programmers. So why Python is so popular? So actually Python, because of the attributes of its simplicity, flexibility, and the vast collection of libraries available, Python's simple syntax makes it easy for beginner to get started, and its flexibility allows more experienced programmers to accomplish more complex tasks with very easy. So additionally, the vast collection of libraries and modules available in Python, which make it easy to add functionality to your programming without having to write like everything just from the scratch. That's why it's popular. If we talk about like uses of Python, where we can use this Python, so I can say we can use this for a lot of tasks, from web development to data analysis, from scientific computing to artificial intelligence. Also we can use it, and there is most popular areas we can use, for example, like web development, and this is like a Python provides several frameworks such as Django, Flask, and Pyramid, which is make it easy to build a secure and maintain web applications. That's web development. And if we talk about like a software development program, so huge programming development due to its simplex syntax, a wide range of use case. So in this case, I will say like in the software development, we can say data analysis and visualization. So there is a lot of ecosystem libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which is make it easy to work with data, performing calculation and create visualization with Python. And also if you can say scientific computing and engineering, so libraries such as like a SciPy and SumPy, this provides advanced mathematical functions and algorithms that are commonly used in scientific research. If we can use Python, like Python is used for AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. So that's basically if we goes to like a libraries like a TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, make it basically easy implement and train modules for computer vision, natural language processing, and there is a lot of more areas where we can use in artificial intelligence this Python. That's all we have. Okay, what is Python? I hope you understand what is Python and where we can use this Python and why is so much popular, because of its simplicity. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Python programming tutorial.